Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through what the Cloudflare internal server error 500 means and what you can do about it. When you see a Cloudflare internal server error 500, it means the website server, the actual computer hosting the site, is having a major unexpected issue. Cloudflare tried to connect to it but received a failure code. This is a problem on the website's end, not yours. Since the issue is server-side, you can't truly fix it, but you can try a couple of things. Wait it out. This is the most effective solution. Website engineers are usually aware of 500 errors and are working to resolve them immediately. Give it a few minutes and refresh the page. Clear browser data. As a last resort, quickly clear your browser's cache and cookies for that specific website. Sometimes old data can conflict with the site's connection. Remember, the error is an indicator of a server crash or a major back-end problem. Patience is key. Subscribe the channel for more videos.